Hey there, welcome. I'm Sandra Carlisle. I'm a marketer, and this is the Chronicles of a Media Marketer channel. Let me ask you a real question. Do you have a website that looks amazing, but nobody ever finds it on Google? You used AI. You followed the prompts. You hit publish, and yet no traffic, no leads, no sales. Today, I want to talk about why most AI-built websites fail and the technology entrepreneurs don't realize they're missing. Here's what I'm seeing everywhere right now. Entrepreneurs are spending hours and sometimes thousands of dollars building websites with AI tools, templates, and content generators. But the site doesn't rank, the content doesn't convert, and the business doesn't grow. Why? Because a website isn't just design, and content isn't just words. Without the right technology underneath, Google can't read your site correctly, and your audience can't trust it enough to take action. Here's what I've discovered working with founders who came to me frustrated. They'd say, "My site looks great, but I'm invisible." Or, "I'm blogging every week, but nothing's happening." When we looked under the hood, the issue wasn't effort. It wasn't creativity. It wasn't even AI. It was that the website and content were never connected strategically. There was no real site architecture, no search intent mapping, no conversion pathways, no performance data guiding decisions. The result? A beautiful digital brochure that Google ignores and customers bounce from. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI can help you build faster, but it cannot replace technical strategy and consistency. For your website and content to rank and convert, you need clean site structure Google can crawl, content mapped to real search intent, proper indexing and internal linking, speed, accessibility, and schema, and messaging aligned to your brand and your buyer psychology. This is where most DIY and AI-only builds fall apart. At Wealthy Palette Media, we don't just make things look good. We build with brand intent and user experience, connecting design, content, SEO, and performance into one system, so your website actually works like a business asset, not a sunk cost. If your website isn't bringing in leads, if your content isn't getting seen, if you're pouring time and money into tools but not seeing returns, that's not a motivation problem. That's a technology and strategy problem. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building for performance, visit wealthypalette.com and schedule a chat. Let's connect your website, your content, and your growth the right way. If you want to learn more, subscribe to Chronicles of a Media Marketer and hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when our next video is posted.